Today is the 8th of September and the vlog is already starting at 7 a.m. So now I have to change my clothes. Jeans and shirt. That's great. Today's vlog is gonna be about writing talks. I actually need a new tool for me to get in clear what are my thoughts, what are my projects, and I need something that I can visualize. This is where I want to go, and these are the ideas. First stop for this project, we have to get a roll. Before we get started with our project, I really want to welcome to the atelier. Here is where today I'm gonna bring to reality my idea. Because remember, a great idea doesn't matter how big it is, if you don't do something to realize it, it's just wanna stay an idea. Now it's time for a little bit break. It's not really a break, but we are gonna paint this white. So today's project is almost done. I just have to go back home and bring it on the wall, and I'm excited. It was fun today. Something new, something special. I don't know if you like it, but it was definitely fun. Let's go back home. Al Capone time. Today's vlog was something completely new for me, for you. I hope you enjoyed, and just press the like button if you like it. Write something in the comment section below, and see you next time.